Hi, my name is Craig Harris and I'm a professional Forex trader and mentor. This video is about my free course, which you can opt in. It's right above here somewhere. You can opt in. But before you do, let me tell you what's in the course. Whether you are a swing trader or a day trader, there are certain things that you have to understand in order to be profitable in the market. And my free course actually gives you those things so that you can start attacking the market and actually being on the correct side of your trade more often than not. But instead of just talking about it, why don't we go to the charts and I'm going to show you some things. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to get out of the 2-week free course. There's several videos that you're going to be able to go watch, and I just wanted to highlight a few of these different strategies that we use that help us to kind of stay on the right side of the market. The first one is the Tokyo Channel. Now, the Tokyo Channel is the highest and lowest price points between Wellington Open, which is the start of the new financial day, until New York midnight. And it has an interesting property to it. When the market makes its moves, if it is in and around the Tokyo Channel, you will see that it will stall in that area. And if you know where the market's going to stall, then you can trade to and from those areas. Let me show you another currency. Maybe we can get just a slightly better look at what happens during the day. Yeah, okay. So here we have Tokyo Channel low right here, and let me just duplicate it up here just so that you can see right about here. This is what happens after it breaks out from the New York midnight area and the Tokyo Channel has been set. The market will move to and from the Tokyo Channel. You notice this was a BOJ announcement here, Bank of Japan announcement, some news came out. But notice where the market pulls back to, right into the Tokyo Channel, makes a move, comes right back, stalls out there for a while. Same thing when it makes its move up, it goes right to the Tokyo Channel high and hangs out there. And that is really the value of the Tokyo Channel, is that it's going to help you to see where the market is going to stall if price gets in its range. Okay, big numbers. Now, big numbers are another thing. Let me see. Let's go back to the euro for a second because I think we can see a little bit of a move here. So, big numbers are numbers that end in 0, 0, 20, 50, or 80. And the market likes big numbers. Once you understand big numbers, you're not going to even bother with pivot points anymore. The market moves to and from big numbers. And if I just draw another line here, you can kind of see this. You'll see that the market came out of the Tokyo Channel and it kind of hovered around this 2900 area, and then when it made its move, it went up to the 2920 area. You see 2 or 3 candles right here showing that, and then the next move was up here to the 50 area, and do you see how the market resisted and then hung around that big number, and then right on up to this area up here. And that's exactly what the market does. It moves to and from big numbers. So be sure to watch that video and you'll get the point there. The next thing is sessions. Now, sessions are interesting, and you have to understand the Wellington session, the Tokyo session, the London session, and the New York session. And when you understand each of these sessions, what takes place in them, it will help you to get a handle on how much you should be looking for when you make your trades, because each session has some very specific characteristics as into how much each day it moves. So that's another thing. The other thing I talked about was news, and news is not a function of the charts. It's really just a function of understanding when the news is, and I use a free news service to see when the news is and then see how the market reacts, because news drives the market and technical analysis helps us to understand where. So be sure and watch that video also. And then lastly, I want to talk about swings a little bit. Be sure to watch the swings video. Swings help us because the basic principle of trading is that you want to trade long from a swing low and short from a swing high. And what I mean by that is once you have a swing low in place and a reversal candle, these are the trades that you're looking for. That kind of a trade. And which swings you trade for are I teach you in my course overall, but start paying attention to swings. And what you're going to see is that generally speaking, once the market starts to move a little bit, your swings are between 30 and 60 pips. So there you got a 50 pip swing, and coming back it's 20 and then probably close to 30 here. Yeah, right around a 30 pip swing. This one here is right around a 30 pip swing, and I don't know, we'll look here, 26, 27 pips, okay? And so that's what you want to start paying attention to is swings. So those are some of the things that you're going to see in the videos of the free training course, and they're going to help you to start getting on the right track. Okay, so what I just showed you were the different parts of the natural flow system that you have to understand in order to be able to trade profitably. Whether it's the Tokyo channel, which really helps us to pick when and how the market is getting ready to make its moves, and you have to understand that in order to be profitable, or big numbers, or even understanding the session you're in and the news that's about to come about, and how the swings in the market that are naturally up and down. Once you understand those things, you're going to have a much better handle on taking trades that are going to put you on the right side of the trade so that you can be profitable. So opt in above for the free course. There's a couple of things that come with this also. Below each video that you watch, there's a Q&A section, so you'll be able to ask your questions and I'll be able to answer them to help you understand these strategies a little bit better. In addition to that, each month I usually put together a little video and I go back and show you the trades that we took using the natural flow system. That's going to be it for me. I really hope you enjoy the free course. I think it's going to make a big difference in the way you look at the market and the way you trade it. Have a great day.